Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to send location with your iPhone. So sometime we need to send someone location with message option, not like third party apps. So I'll show you how you can do it. So first you go to message option and select the someone. Then you can just tap. For example, I want to send with him. Then select the plus icon. Here in showing some item like the location. Then you can just select your drop, which location you want to send. You can find this location. Then you can just tap on the send button. Then it will be automatic send. Currently not showing because this is the not number, this is the detect. Okay, I show this number. Also my sim is flight mode. Okay, and plus location. Then I just send. Now showing the map option, and then I can choose which location I want to share. Then I just send. Yeah, now you share. So that's it. It is the pretty easy, and you can do it as you if you want. So thanks for the watching. Bye bye.